Hi there and welcome to the GridMate learning channel. In today's video, we'll explore two powerful new features available in the GridMate File Explorer, Enhanced Preview and Inline Preview. Both features are designed to improve file visibility, navigation, and overall user experience directly inside Salesforce. Let's jump right in. Before enabling anything, let's take a look at how the file preview works by default. As you can see here, when you open a file, you get the standard preview experience. It allows you to view the file, but you don't have advanced controls like zooming, rotating, or layout customization. This is the baseline behavior. Now let's enhance it. Let's go to the App Builder. On the right-hand configuration panel, you'll now see a new option, Enhanced Preview. Let's enable it, and click Save. Now let's go back to the record page and refresh. Open the same file again. With Enhanced Preview, users can now zoom out, zoom in, fit to width, reset zoom, rotate left, rotate right. This gives users much more flexibility when reviewing documents. That's the Enhanced Preview. Now that we've explored the controls available with Enhanced Preview, we'll shift to the second feature, Inline Preview. Let's go back to the App Builder. Under the component settings, we now also have the option, Inline Preview. Let's enable it. Now we can choose where the preview appears. We have two layout orientations. You can choose top or bottom for vertical alignment, and left or right for horizontal alignment. Let's start with bottom. When selecting top or bottom, we can define the inline preview height. And click Save. Then go back to the record page. Now when we select a file, the preview appears inline at the bottom of the File Explorer, instead of opening separately. You can see how the height we configured directly controls how much vertical space the preview occupies. This layout works great when you want users to keep browsing files while previewing content below. Now let's explore the second layout option. When using left or right positioning, we configure the inline preview width instead of height. Click Save, and return to the record page. Now when we select a file, the preview appears on the left side, and the file list adjusts automatically. This layout is especially useful for users working on larger screens, where horizontal space is available and side-by-side viewing improves productivity. Thank you for watching.